Well, ladies and gentlemen, my time on the coast is coming to an end. Just outside of Los Angeles right now. I think we're going to go ahead and shoot up towards San Francisco. Never been there before, and I think between that and the Pacific Coast Highway, we should be in for a treat, man. And who knows, maybe we can hit some dirt along the way. So guys, I want to thank you for watching. I appreciate y'all. Hope everybody's living the dream, doing big things, and if you're not, hey, I hope you're planning to. Well, let's get this ride on, shall we? Tell you what, quite a few cars today, but with it being so wide as it is right here, man, it's so easy to navigate back and forth. I really appreciate that. Like I was saying, guys, California, it's like they reward you to ride a motorcycle, man. They encourage it, man. I mean, my gosh, if I did this in any other state, you'd have people ready to cut me off, flip me off, and cops ready to pull me over. So this is definitely a warm welcome here to be able to do something like this. Save a lot of time, man. Because I know for a lot of people, every time you bring LA up, they always talk about the traffic, and I'm like, dude, I've always wondered, you know, how is it on a motorcycle? Let me tell you, so far, you know, I'm not gonna say a breeze, but it's definitely. Oh, you know what? Let me take my time here with this here Rolls Royce here. My insurance ain't that good, or it is, but I don't want to, you know. Yeah. Okay. Good job, Rolls. Clean. That was clean. What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Good morning, good afternoon. Well, made it into, I'm just south of, I think, San Jose. I called around, and this one particular motel, this guy was extra nice, man. You know, I told him how I was going to be coming on my bike, and I'm going to be coming from a long distance away. So he said, don't worry, I'll take care of it. Then I changed my plans on him a little bit, my nights, and he said, look, like I said before, don't worry about it. So props to this hotel. So this is Economy Inn in Morgan Hill. I mean, as you can see, you know, I'm set up, man. So I appreciate this guy. I just want to make sure I give a shout out, but hope everybody's doing great. Had a great week. I know I had a great week. I'm definitely ready to ride. So, and I hope you guys are too. Hopefully, you're planning a ride. You just came back from a ride. Something like that, because life is short, guys. Tomorrow's never promised. Plus, riding your bike is just fun anyway. So why not do it? You know, if I was doing Miss America, man, I would straight up say, they'd say, you know, how do you solve, you know, the world's problems? I'd say motorcycle riding. You know, it saves lives. All right, all jokes aside, we are going to head into San Francisco today. There's this bakery that we like, and it's up in San Francisco. While we're there, we'll try to hit a couple of the sites, man, and head on back here. Try to get on some back roads and hit the coast. So let's do it. Go ahead. Alright, well, I done made it. Let's see how this goes. Alright, so let's do this here. I'll tell you what, guys. See, there's nothing to it. In and out like it's nothing. Guys, I'm telling you, get out here when you can. Okay, also let me show you what this money just got here. Okay. I really didn't need the bag, but I appreciate it. Oh, she went ahead and did it up for me, so I think I'm just gonna go ahead and push this down. See? Perfect, man. That's what I was hoping for. Perfect. Alright, let's do a hill climb, baby. Guys, you may not be able to tell, but it is just so steep. This is definitely the steepest one so far. I don't blame you for not stopping, because man, I don't want to stop. Heck. Crazy, man. Of course the Soupy would be parked there. Dude, I don't even need to be in gear. Wow, this is a crazy street. How neat is this, man? Well, not a Subaru, but a Toyota 4Runner. Another classic. Awesome, dude. Yeah, both you guys not paying attention. That sucks. Bro, it is so foggy. You literally cannot. Oh, I was like, man, you can't even see. Alright. Golden Gate Bridge, y'all. The fog, it's like it's mythical or something. No, it's something special. Pretty awesome, man. I'm so thankful to be able to have this moment, you know. sure is a lot of fun, man. I don't know what you guys are waiting on. I appreciate you watching this video, but you guys need to get out there and ride and go live your life, man. Seriously. It's just too much of a good time to be had out there to not do it. So ride when you can, ladies and gentlemen. Ride when you can. And if you don't ride, that's okay. Just go out there and try to have a good time, whatever it is you enjoy doing. Don't worry about the next man or woman. You just, that's what do they say? Do you. You know? That's all you got to worry about. Hey. Well. Oh well. Dang it. Well, guys, that's unfortunate. Because I totally had every intention of doing that dirt section. Shoot, man. Alright, guys. Well, Sunday morning, I think we're gonna head over towards the coast, man. See what Pacific Coast Highway is all about. I'll tell you what, this GS definitely lets you know it's heavy. For some of you debating if you want to get a regular GS or the GS Adventure, look, bruh, if you're not going to take this thing on some extended away trips, if you just want a GSA for the simple fact so you can tell people you have a GSA, the Adventure model, just get the regular model. So far on my western trip, we've hit Utah. That was a lot of fun. You know, I really enjoy my time in southwestern Utah. I know everybody loves Moab. Moab is cool. It's a great place too, but I definitely enjoyed Zion in that area. And it's so trippy. You know, I mean, in the United States, you know, because I live in Texas, you know, I just don't get a real good sense of just how cold this past winter has really been for a lot of folks. I mean, you know, my wife and I, we keep talking about it especially since I've come back from Utah. It's like, man, it's like it's May.
but there's still tons of snow in a lot of places. And a lot of these rivers, creeks, streams, they're getting a lot of runoff just from the melted snow, man. So that's been crazy to experience firsthand. And, a lot of these passes are still closed, I call them passes, just roads, some of these mountain roads are still closed. Guys, the road that I came here on, where I'm at right now, it said it was closed, but I mean, I could clearly see where I was going, so I went ahead and just, well, really and truly, there was no lock gate, so you know how it is. But look at that, man. Sometimes you got to break a rule or two. You don't mean no harm. You just try to enjoy a little bit. You know how it is. But anyway, Bixby Bridge, um, off Pacific Coast Highway, guys. Get out here if you can. So far, my faithful steed, she's been right there with me, man. Hadn't skipped a beat. It's been a pleasure riding this thing. I can tell you just from a comfort standpoint, definitely more comfortable on this than I was the African Twin. No offense to the African Twin. Look, African Twin owners, look, this is a great bike. And had I spent some money and got a good seat, I'm sure it would have worked out a lot better. But this right here from stock, you know, it's really been good to me. Coming out this way, I think I did. It was like six and a half, almost 7 hours from where I'm stationed at headquarters. But yeah, man, check this view out, dude. Isn't this crazy?